So Canadian Spa, but we've overfilled it, right? Haven't we? Look, what I'm saying is, how quiet is that now?
A lot quiet.
Is that doable?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that bearable now?
Yeah.
You can hardly hear it, you can hear the bubbles. So what we've done is, ooh, look at the flex on that though. I'm not interested in that. It's quite a flex on that, D. And on the pipe, but
Yeah.
see it? It needs to be more straight, I think. It's actually flexed quite a lot, you know, since
Yeah.
it's moved a lot.
Started heating it up now.
Nice. So that's that blue thing on there is just a cover thing, innit? So that's a thermal cover thing or whatever. There we go. I'm just draining off the excess water. So I left the tap on for too long. There you go. 2021. So basically I put the unit in here and it's sound deadening. It's you can still breathe. I've checked it all and I've put this mat round it. But what surprised me was that the bottom pipe, when I fitted it, originally that was pretty straight and now it's got a little bit of a kink in it, so it should be alright. How quiet is that, people? There you go, that's what you do. Get yourself one of these boxes and then look. That's 2. 3. Number 1. So if you put it on number 1, right? Watch this. Okay. Done. Sorted. I mean, before people who've had these Canadian spas will know that the unit, it's just like a hoover next to you, so you can't really relax. But at least with that now, you know, you're in the hot tub and it's bearable. You can listen to some music, you know. You can hardly hear that now. Look, there you go. That's my design. I created that. Call it a soundproofing box for the spa. The light's going up. Yeah. Watch. Yeah. Some lights going on. Just go. All good. Some steps. Some lights still there. On the way up at night, it gives you like a bit of ambience. Steps going in. Little plants growing everywhere. It's my contribution to the Canadian Spa. Over and out. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, thumbs up, and we can bring you some more spa action.